The Tripp Lite fiber optic network cables are designed to meet or exceed the top industry standards. These cables are recommended for fast, clear data transmission in network and telecom applications. The fiber optic cable types include 9125, 5125, and 62.5125. Connector options include LC, SC, ST, MTRJ, and MTP-MPO. Both single-mode and multi-mode fibers are available with various PM or OS designations to support 1, 10, 25, 40, 100, and 400 gigabit per second speeds. The massive range of the cable lengths are also available from 1-foot patch cables to 1,000-foot runs. These cables are ideal for network devices that require more bandwidth, higher speeds, and more reliable internet connectivity, such as security cameras, digital signage, and VoIP phone systems, making fiber optic cable the obvious choice for those who provide telecommunications and internet.